Okay everyone, this is the second time I'm recording this video. My system crashed the first time and I can't do the thing I want. What I do in this video I recorded, I'm going to record a review of what I do. What I add the code, these 4 lines. Why I add them? Because each time we run the code, for example, let's save it. Each time I'll run the code and, for example, add a student 3 Layla 51, for example Alex 45, Rick 51, and then when we want, for example, view names, in the past the problem is that here when we want to view our names, they have many unpleasant view here and they always, all the things are going in the way. But now I divide them and make them better, and I also add this line of codes here for x in dict.items print x for the view, to view everything in a line like this. You see a student number and view everything in line. And another thing I want to add is here. I want to add print some of you may ask why, and some of you maybe by now understand why I am adding this line of codes. When we add this, what is happening? For example, please enter your function set add a student. What is happening? You see, it's great that a space that been created, it makes everything look better. Or you can just easily put something more simple like an empty print that done the work too. You see now, for example, add a student 5. You see, it's great space. It's good and we like it. We create of this thing in the previous lesson. Now we are going to the end of this project. I think we create lots of part for it and we are near the end by now. But when we come to the end, I want to have a good conclusion of what we do and create a great effect of what we have done until now. Until the next lesson, don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments, and please like and subscribe. And this lesson is some kind of short because some error on my PC. I don't know why, and if I fix it, I will do the next.